Saving an entire document is something that's useful to be able to do, but sometimes you might just want a little bit of text. So we'll return to the first page. You're not always required to select Export to Word document and grab everything in a PDF file in order to repurpose it. Sometimes you can get just the pieces you need. I'll return to the first page here, and I'm going to use the Select Text and Objects tool. This is sort of a generalized tool that allows you to, for starters, select some text. And if you leave your mouse on top of the text you just selected, and you're a little bit patient, you can hover over a little icon that will appear, and it will give you a series of options that you have once you've selected something. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and select Copy. Now I'll jump over into Microsoft Word, and I have a blank page sitting here waiting for me, and I'll choose Edit, Paste. And there we have the text. And again, it did its best to maintain the formatting of the text that I copied. I might not have the particular font that was used, or I might not have the exact formatting set up in the document that I'm working with. Again, the advantage is that at least I don't have to rekey the information, nor do I have to pour through an entire Word document that I've exported from a PDF file. It's a very quick way to reuse just a little bit of information. Let's return to Acrobat, because there's one more thing that I might want to copy and pull out of a PDF file that is somewhat of a surprise if you've never seen this before. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and you can see that I have a spreadsheet. Now, the advantage of a spreadsheet is that it has some structure. There's a tabular form here. I've got columns and rows, and the information is sorted that way. With the Select tool, I'm going to select this table, and I'll hover over and be patient. Hover over the little icon, and notice that I can choose Open Table in Spreadsheet. This is fantastic. Now, it doesn't look exactly like what I had inside the PDF file. A lot of the formatting information has been lost, but what has been maintained is the structure of the table. And so, if I need to, I can reconstitute the table fairly quickly using Excel. This is fantastic, and it makes it so that you can very quickly repurpose tabular data inside a PDF file. And what else is interesting is the fact that the tabular data didn't necessarily have to come from Excel in the first place. Adobe's InDesign allows you to design with tables, as does Quark Express. If Acrobat thinks what is on the page is a table, it will give you the ability to hand it over to Excel or any other application that you happen to use for creating and working with spreadsheets. That's pretty significant stuff.